What are some like tips that you recommend them doing to get a nice looking website?
Nice. That's a good question. I would recommend going on Dribble.com. So Dribble is a place where designers put their work, and if you like search for developer portfolio, I'm pretty sure there'll be like examples of designs for portfolio sites, and you just build it.
That's a good one. Or you can like just Google other developer websites
Yeah.
and you still what they did, kind of like probably not the code, but you select the style. I mean, most websites nowadays kind of look the same. So it's not that hard to like make something look okay. You don't have to be a designer to have your work shown online.
Like even like WordPress sites, I think you can like look up like developer WordPress sites and like make yours look like one of the designs that you come across.
I know one thing I did when I started out, like looking for to build my portfolio, was I was like, oh, mine needs to be super unique, or mine's not gonna be, recruiters aren't gonna see it. That's not what that's about. Your portfolio is just supposed to be a blank slate to showcase the actual work. I saw like this really cool portfolio, like a Mario. I was like, I want to build that, but then
I saw that.
I couldn't build it. Yeah, I think everybody sees this portfolio when they first look up developer portfolios, but like, don't let that stop you. Just something super simple, get it done, and then focus actually on the actual portfolio projects.